Happy Mother's Day, yogis. Today, let us recognize that the birth of the universe is one that happened through a woman and brought all life into form. That the rise of the divine feminine is necessary if we are to restore humanity to a good place. Toxic masculinity has helped to destroy the fabric of a healthy community. And I'm praying that we will look inside ourselves for more nurturing qualities, more loving qualities, more compassionate qualities, and more thoughtful qualities. The divine masculine is the gatherer. He is the protector. He has a role. The divine feminine is the nurturer, the lover, and is one who is open and compassionate and has leadership qualities that are necessary to be included in a world that survives going forward. We will not survive at all if we don't become more inclusive in our leadership. So today, on Mother's Day, let us recognize the divine feminine in us as men and around us in our women. Let us support equality and nurture all missions that promote equality and inclusivity. Let's make it our mission to restore women's seat at the forefront of the table. Let us promote love and fairness so that we can survive. Because if the toxic masculine trait remains in leadership position without being challenged, then Mother Earth and all of her inhabitants will perish. We need not to be greedy, but to be inclusive. We need to promote fairness and compassion. And we need to include those human beings who have more fairness, inclusivity, and compassion in their heart. Those are qualities of the divine feminine. It's an inevitable rise of the divine feminine that we're celebrating and promoting today. Make it your mantra to see your mothers, your sisters, and your daughters as leaders and support this necessary shift in consciousness. God bless you. Have a beautiful Mother's Day.